Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Girardi, CEO of ProEst, and welcome to Tech Talk. This month we're talking about reporting, a really important aspect of our platform. With ProEst, we always want you to stay within the platform to generate all the necessary reporting, so no need to go to Excel or Word to finish the process. Some of the reports built into the system are really valuable, and I'm going to go through a couple of them today. Starting up at the top here, I am on the estimate cost types report, and this report is showing me a lot of detail. Perhaps a report that you're going to use in-house to review estimates. So we have all cost types organized by division. You can see down at the bottom there is a nice chart showing us, a pie chart showing us various costs on the project, as well as whatever markups we have involved. Up at the top, you'll notice on all reports, we have the ability to print it to a PDF, send it right to Excel, or email it right out of the platform. So as I move down the list, and I click on the estimate summary report, I quickly see a one-page overview of all the costs on the project. So this is a really helpful report. Up top, we have header information like the owner of the estimate, type of project, the status, the due date, as well as estimate productivity. How many man hours on the project? How many crew days? How many equipment hours? Far right showing us estimate cost. So what is the size of the project? What is the cost per unit, as well as the selling price per unit? And all the markups also, all on one quick page for a quick overview. So the next report on the list says estimate totals, and this is showing us totals per the selected group up top. So in this case, I have it set to division. I could set it to subdivision to look at that next level of breakout, getting quick summary totals. I can also use, you'll see on top here, any of the sort types that are assigned to this estimate: phase, bid item, unit format, location. Really no limitations here. So however you have your estimate organized, you have the ability to report it and summarize it in that manner. So far what I've showed you is all standard reports built into the platform. I can look at a materials list, actually shows a part number, and a combined materials list for a project. I could look at more detailed in terms of labor. Do I want to look at all the labor costs on the project, as well as what's the productivity we're using? How many total labor hours? What crews are on the project? All this is at your fingertips. So these are all standard reporting. We also have the ability within our platform to design your own reports. So one example of that is this construction proposal here that I created. Again, the goal being, let's stay within ProEst, already has your branding, eliminates the risk of going out to Excel or Word where double entry potentially could happen. This proposal, it's a combination of boilerplate information. You'll see some contractual data up top here, as well as information specific to this project, like scope, inclusions, exclusions. As I scroll down here, you'll see a payment schedule, even a place for your client to sign. Again, the goal being, let's generate the reporting within the platform, then everyone within your company is producing estimates and reporting that looks identical. Okay, as I move down the menu here, the Estimate Center is a folder that contains reports that are going to allow us to really analyze our business. Okay, so one really popular one is called our Estimate Success Report, where I can come in here and put in a date range. So I'm going to put in like a year-to-date date range. And I quickly see by estimate type how many estimates we've created, what's the total dollar amount, how many are open, how many are closed, how many are lost, what's our close rate per estimate type. Now, so all of a sudden we're aggregating all this data because everyone is putting estimates in the same platform. We're aggregating the data and we're quickly being able to analyze, are we more successful with one type of project versus another? Or one office versus another? Or is one estimator's work being awarded more than another's? All that data is at our fingertips now for us to analyze and make some business decisions potentially off of that data. Some other reports over here in the Estimate Center, the assessment reports, the comparison reports, allow you to compare multiple estimates side by side. So if you had a key project and you want to base other projects off of it, Well, we can compare those projects side by side, take a look at what those variances are. Even a workload report. So I want to see what workload each estimator has on their plate right now. So again, the goal of our reporting, both the standard reporting as well as our report writer, is to give you the ability to analyze your report, analyze your estimates, analyze your entire estimating department, all within our platform. No need to go to Excel or Word to finish this process, minimizing your risk, and really setting up a company standard within your organization. So I hope that was valuable. Certainly, we're open to input on new enhancements to our reports in any manner. Always looking for our product to evolve with our clients' requirements and needs. That's it for this month. Hope you have a great month. See you next week, or excuse me, next month on Tech Talk. Bye bye.